Okay, the first one is length. So the measurable of length is completed. Then, so the measurement of mass. Okay, the measurement of mass. The first one is mass is does not depends on the pressure, temperature, and the acceleration due to gravity g, or location from one point to the another point. The mass is a quantity of matter. Mass is a quantity of matter. So let's see the first one. So many of the students, the mass and weight are does not discrepancies. The mass and weight are both are similar or identical. Thoughts like that. But come to the point, according to the concept, the physics concept, very important, the mass and weight are completely discrepancies. So let's see how. The first one is, what is the difference between the mass and weight? So this is the mass. The mass is just simply to measure the amount of matter. So what is matter? Does anything substance which is having mass and occupy the space. Without mass, matter is not there. Without matter, so that means the matter is there means automatically mass is there. So that is a mass is a simply amount of the matter of body. So matter means what? What is the matter? The matter means the substance which is having mass and occupy the volume. Okay, so mass, both volume, anything substance, that is the matter. So yes, this is matter. Duster matter. This is matter because it is a mass and occupy the space. I am a matter. So that means the matter is simply to measure the amount of matter. So the mass is more. The matter is also more. Then weight is measure the amount of force acting on due to gravity. So weight is the amount of force acting on. So for example, this is the earth. This is the earth. This is the earth. So then the poles of the earth. This is the poles of the earth. Poles of the earth. Then this is the top position of the earth, P2. So the position of the earth changes, the acceleration due to gravity is variation. So the acceleration due to gravity is variation, the weight is also variation. The weight is completely depending upon the acceleration due to gravity. How it is dependent? The acceleration, that means weight is equal to the product of mass into acceleration due to gravity. So that means the product of mass with acceleration due to gravity, that is the weight. So the reason is how to find out the weight in different planets. For example, so in that is a science exhibition is there in the Bangalore. So you can be what with the different planet you show the reading of different weight. We know the acceleration due to gravity of the different planets, already known value. Just multiplied with your mass, we got your weight. So that is a main difference, the very important difference. It is the measure the amount of matter on the body. It is measure the force acting on the body. Force acting on the mass due to G. Okay, so that means when the body is suspended freely, Okay, so this is the string, it is a body. When the body is suspended freely in the free space, it is a downward force is acted. That downward force is called as the weight of the body. So that weight is equal to what? mg. The weight is always be acted in the downward direction. So this is a mass. The second one is, so we know that is a density is equal to, keep it in your mind, density is equal to what? The density is equal to mass divided by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Then mass is equal to what? The mass is equal to density into volume. This is the second one. Okay, the equation form of the mass is equal to density into volume. So density is representation rho, volume is V. So then the equation form of weight is equal to m into g. This is the second one. Then mass can never zero. Yes, mass can never zero. So what is mass? Mass means some quantity is there. Little bit of quantity. So you have to little bit of quantity is there means it is a mass. If the quantity is not there, the mass is not there. The little bit of quantity is automatically to measurable quantity with the mass. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ mass ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು it is a what? Can never zero. You know very well. For example, so it is a small quantity ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a little bit of mass. Very little bit of mass ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. The quantity small. ಕೊನೆಗೆ quantity ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mass ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But weight can be zero. Yes, weight can be zero. On what conditions weight can be zero? Let's see. So this is the body. The body is suspended freely in the space. The body is suspended freely in the free space. The downward force is equal to weight of the body. Weight of the body. The same force. It is a force. Which type of force? This is a downward force. It is a downward force. Idi anta force idu downward force. The same amount of force is acted in upward direction. ಯಾವುದು upward? Tension ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Tension from the string. Okay, ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ the weight can be what? Zero ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Both the forces are cancelled. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ upward force, ಇದು downward force. So both these two forces are cancelled together. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ weight is what? Can be zero. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ mass is dependent on the density and volume. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ weight is dependent on the completely acceleration due to gravity. This is the one more point. So then another important point is it is a scalar quantity. What is scalar? The quantity which is having only magnitude. What is the meaning of magnitude? Let's see. Magnitude andre enu? So that is a magnitude. Magnitude means it is a numerical value. The magnitude means it is a numerical value. That is a representation something. Okay, now look at this one. What is this one? This is a white marker. You have to identification by looking this one object. Like that, you looking that one, it is a get something. So that means the magnitude means it is in the numerical value. For example, 5 meter, 500 kg, 3 hours. Okay, so then 6 Newton of force. 5 is a magnitude. 500, it is a magnitude. It is 500 is shows something. ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 3 ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. 6 that is also magnitude. So first one, it is magnitude. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗಳು ಆಗ್ತವೆ. It is meter, it is kg, measurable mass, hours, time. This is a force. So that means only it is what? This is only magnitude. Only magnitude. Magnitude. ಆತರ magnitude ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವೇಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So weight, it is a vector. So this is having what? This is having magnitude as well as direction. Magnitude as well as direction. So magnitude as well as direction means, let take that is a suspended body. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್. So then the same, it is a what? So the bob is with horizontal like that. Okay, so a bob ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. That is a mg. ಈ mg ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ವೇಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. Both magnitude as well as direction, that is a vector quantity. So then this is a kilogram. So this is the representation kg. So this is what Newton. Okay, so this is the main difference between the mass and weight. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so atomic mass unit. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 divided by 12 times of mass of 1 atom, C12. Okay, so again, that is a experiment. This is the bowl or vessel. So in vessel only we have to add in the atoms. 1 atom, 2 atom, 3 atom, 4 like that. So it reaches 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms like that. Adding 1, 2, 3 like that. So this is the number when you got it. Weight, that one C12. Weight ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in 12 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ? in 12 grams C12 that is a 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms present. That is called as Avogadro number. So 12 gram ನಲ್ಲಿ that is Avogadro number ಇದಾವೆ. So ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು that is called as 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 times of mass of 1 atom. So ಒಂದು atomic mass ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಗ್ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಆಟಮ್, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಆಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? C12 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಆಟಮ್ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮಿನ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಆಟಮಿನ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 6.023 into 23 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆನ್ equation number 1. So put in equation number 1. So equation number 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ substitution ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ atomic mass in it is equal to 1/12 times mass of one atom. Mass of one atom ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Mass of one atom into 12 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. It is in the gram. Okay, 12 get cancelled ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then that is equal to so 10 to the power of 23 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Into 10 to the power of minus 23. Okay, so it is gram. So remaining ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ? 1 divided by 6.023. So 1 divided by 6.023. So ಇದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತನ, so convert into kg. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, convert into kg. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 1 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ 1 kg is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? 1000 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So that means 10 to the power of 3 gram. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 to the power of minus 23 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೆಜಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೆಜಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಿತ್ 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so now it is converted into kg. ಈಗ kg ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 atomic mass in it is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Minus 27. So this is 1 atomic mass in it is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Okay, so this is